Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are in Groningen and we're going to the forum here behind me. It's a very big building because they have a Disney exposition. It's something like timeless stories. It's this one. We are very excited to go there. And also the forum is a very cool building, so I will show you that as well. And I'm here together with Julian. So let's go inside. So they also have a little gift shop. And we didn't buy enough in Disneyland itself, so we're going to see if we can buy some more merch. Oh, it's a headband. No, cute. Okay, I'm also seeing some bob bands. I've never seen these before. Should I get them? It is $7.50, but they're really cute. Okay, I see a bag, and this one is made to put your pins in there. That will be so cool. This one will set you back, what is it, €89. And it's a lounge fly. Okay, so we're now on the top of the forum, and I really love this view. It's so cool. I didn't get anything at the souvenir shop, but I'm going to try to show you some stickers I got. They were at the entrance. It's a little bit windy. These and the Robin Hood, and Hercules and Snow White. So that's really cool. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and coming with me to this exposition, and I really hope you liked it, and hopefully I will see you next time. But I got these stickers that were at the entrance. They were free, and I thought they were really cool. And they're going away. Oh no!